Say out loud, let's see what's gonna come through.
Let's see what's gonna come through.
Say it without force
Let's
or
see what's gonna
effort,
come through.
stepping away from control.
Let's see what's gonna come through. Let's see what's gonna come through. Let's see what's gonna come through. Let's see what's gonna come through.
Sing any interval first with a me, false voice energy, and then with a listening, open, true voice energy.
Oh. Let's see what's gonna come through.
Play one note every 4 seconds with separate hands. Play random intervals in different octaves without changing the sustain pedal. Avoid trying to use correct hand motions. Focus only on expressing the true voice between the notes through intonation and arm weight. Improvise the intonation, not the notes. This exercise should be practiced for at least 3 days. During this sensitive stage, it is important not to play other repertoire or exercises. Returning to older sensations too quickly may reactivate the false voice and interfere with the process of discovering a new, more authentic way of playing. Practice without focusing on posture, rhythm, pulse, dynamics, or articulation. Touch the keys naturally and effortlessly, focusing only on intonation and arm weight. Intuitively express your true voice in the space between the notes. Play very slowly, approximately 1 note every 4 seconds, allowing yourself enough time to fully experience the distance and energy between each note.